step by step, the magic grows. A brand new world and everyone knows. We're building the dream brick by brick. 2026 is coming quick. Adventure awaits, the magic is near. Disneyland Paris, the future is here.
Good morning everyone from Disneyland Paris, and in this video we're gonna have a look at the construction that's going on at the Walt Disney Studios, the soon to be known Disney Adventure World. And we're gonna have a look at what is still under construction and what constructions are already finished or visible to the public. Join me.
This summer, 2 new projects have taken shape at Disneyland Paris, one in front of Studio Theater and another in front of Animagique Theater. Since the grand opening of World Premiere, which transformed the former Disney Studio One into a dazzling Hollywood premiere night gala, the area once known as Production Courtyard and Animation Courtyard has evolved into World Premiere Plaza. Inspired by legendary theater districts like Broadway and London's West End, this vibrant space continues its transformation as the resort prepares for the highly anticipated opening of World of Frozen. But before that day arrives, another exciting addition will enhance the guest experience. By the end of the year, 2 brand new merchandise kiosks will permanently join the plaza. Their design will echo the surrounding architecture of World Premiere, Animagique Theater, and Studio Theater, yet each will stand out with its own unique detail. A beautifully themed clock. One clock will feature Woody from Disney Pixar's Toy Story, perfectly positioned near the entrance of Worlds of Pixar. The other will proudly showcase Mickey Mouse himself, a nod to the beloved partner's statue just a few steps away. Once completed, both kiosks will offer guests a variety of Disneyland Paris souvenirs, making them not only practical additions, but also charming landmarks to enjoy during a day at the park. Guests can now see the mountain of frozen land rising above the construction walls at Disneyland Paris. Nearly finished, this impressive landmark offers a stunning preview of what will soon become one of the most breathtaking sights in the park. Scaffolding is now growing around the new shop being built at Disneyland Paris, replacing the former Tower of Terror Fastpass kiosk. This small but exciting project marks another step in the ongoing transformation of the park, as the area continues to evolve with fresh experiences for guests. The two gazebos at the entrance to the new walkway are now nearly finished and clearly visible to guests. These elegant structures mark the gateway to the expanding areas of the park, giving a first glimpse of the detailed design that will welcome visitors once the walkway officially opens. Scaffolding at Toy Story Playland is now covering the new entrance paths being built from the walkways. Once completed, these paths will make it possible for guests to enter the land from several different locations, improving flow and creating easier access throughout the park. On the path leading to Cars Road Trip, guests will now find something new. Fresh food stands have appeared along the way, bringing more life and flavor to the area. These stands invite visitors to pause, enjoy a snack, and take in the sights before continuing their journey into the world of cars. As guests make their way down the road toward Cars Road Trip, a new sight catches the eye. Rising above the path is the Regal View restaurant, now clearly visible to everyone passing by. It adds a touch of elegance to the journey, standing proudly along the route. At Bistro Chez Remy, there's a brand new way to enjoy your meal. When the weather is good, guests can now sit outside, surrounded by the charm of the Ratatouille courtyard. It's the perfect spot to relax, savor the flavors, and take in the atmosphere of this unique corner of Disneyland Paris. At the Stitch attraction, a new detail has been added. A themed video screen now welcomes guests, bringing extra energy and character to the entrance. Meanwhile, over at the Together Show, the entrance has received a major upgrade. With lights glowing on each side and the path leading in, the whole area now feels more polished, capturing the style and glamour of Hollywood. At Stitch Live, the LED screen has now been given some extra theming. It blends better with the attraction and adds to the atmosphere. This screen will also serve a practical role, displaying showtimes and useful information for guests as they pass by. At Theater of the Stars, construction walls now cover the path leading into Adventure Way. Behind them, work continues on the new area, which is set to welcome guests at the beginning of 2026. The anticipation grows as the opening draws closer. The Walt Disney Studios Park is steadily transforming into Disney Adventure World. Step by step, the changes are taking shape. And from what we can see so far, it's looking very promising. The future of the park is unfolding right before our eyes. We hope you enjoyed this live update and that you like seeing how the studios are transforming into Disney Adventure World. Thanks for watching, and as a little bonus, we're heading over to do some shopping at Chez Marianne. Enjoy the rest of the video, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one.